there must be lots of issues to handle in here, but that's not the way that, you know, legal services make you feel like you're one more, you know, one more of the big bunch. No, no, no. You know, it's very, very, you know, personalized, and it takes great care of yourself, even when you first arrive to the front office. Well, because with some of the things, you know, not informed, because probably between Argentina and United States, I realized that there are not only cultural differences, but also some differences as regards requirements and, you know, step-by-step procedure. You know, one day I remember that we sat down with Catherine and she explained me the step-by-step and all, you know, the vocabulary regarding, you know, for example, what was the deductible, or, you know, what is this and that, and I completely understood. You know, it's like a class, you know, you don't have to wait until the last minute to ask something to your professor. And, you know, the classic situation or the classic thought that you said, oh, I have a question, but it's probably really dumb. You know, nothing is dumb enough, you know, if it's, you know, as regards to the learning process. Yes, 5 stars, so every single student should know about you. This situation happened to me, but it could happen to others. So I would definitely recommend you to anyone.